Hi guys, I'm going to teach you how to download SQLyog. So I already download the application, then click this, then yes, then I use English. Then there are four languages. They're Chinese, Japanese, and Korean. So I choose English. So then next, and I accept the terms of the license agreement. Then next, then install, then next, then finish. Then here you go. This is the SQLyog. Then you can use now the database. So that's all, and thank you. Just like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and click the notification bell down below. Bye bye.